Yo, what's up? It's J2O, man. You already know we out here. It's a keeping it real Forex King, the one and only J2O. So, people want to know what's the best broker to use, and that's a tough one because there's so many to pick from. Personally, I've been using a couple brokers because there's always something new that comes out. But overall, the best is to pick a broker that pays out. And one that I know for sure that I like to use is called Trader's Way. This broker offers 1 without leverage. They have good terms and conditions. So that's one of a broker I like to use because of the leverage. And then I like to use like KLT4 or Hugo's Way. Those two brokers are almost similar. But yeah, they both offer like 1/500 leverage and they do pay out. So those are two other brokers. So those are like the 3 brokers that I'm using as of now. But I definitely like Trader's Way because of the leverage. If you're one of the scalpers that like to like stack on the orders or do big lots, Trader's Way might be for you. But anyways, if you know how to trade, it don't really matter which broker you use because you could be profitable in each brokers. But yes, different brokers, price might be manipulated a little bit differently, but it is what it is. It's not going to stop you from making money if you got skill. So that's why I keep it real. Skill will help you get far, and good risk management will get you far. So there's no crazy secret broker. Just work on your skill and you will be able to withdraw, not just deposit. And that's all I have to say today. Just like, comment, and subscribe to you already know, the Keeping It Real Forex King. Peace.